Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today I'm going to try and explain how you can support your favourite YouTuber, and there are many different ways in which you can support them, and one of them is subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you any money and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button and that encourages them to make more videos, because if they see their channel growing and people subscribing, it gives them the thumbs up basically. It says, look, your content is good, I like watching your content, carry on making more. So that is one way. But if you want to donate money, there are many different ways of doing it. I'm going to just tell you about a couple or a few. And one of them is a thing called Patreon. And normally there'll be a link in the video description for you to click on. And that will send you to their Patreon website or to their main website where they'll have all them links in. It sends you to the Patreon website. Go there and you can donate anything from $1 upwards, and that's normally a monthly subscription. The other way is a thing called Streamlabs OBS, and basically that's the same, but you can do either monthly or you can do like a one-off payment. It's entirely up to you on that one. And also you can do things like PayPal. Just donate direct through PayPal. Like I said, there's many different ways, and there's a lot more that I'm not going to go through because it would take too long. The other way is you can click on their affiliated links, and I'm going to explain how that works. So I make a video, say for instance my camera, my video camera. I make a video on my video camera, which costs £1,300 by the way, and I stick a link in the video description to Amazon, for instance. There'll be a link, so you click on the link, it takes you to the Amazon website, it shows you the camera, and you think, well, I'm not paying £1,300, that is a lot of money, I ain't got that kind of money. But you don't have to buy the camera. When you click on that link, it tells Amazon that, you know, it's got traffic coming towards them, and not only that, that link, once you clicked on it and gone there, that will be active for 24 hours. It has a unique number that you've clicked on that stays active for 24 hours, and whatever you buy on Amazon within that 24 hours, that YouTuber will get a very small commission, probably 2 to 3%, depending on what the product is. It really depends on that, but on average it's about 2 to 3%. They will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. You pay the price that's shown, which is the normal price that everyone else sees, and a part of that commission will go back to the YouTuber to support him. So that is all the different ways I'm just going to explain to you. Like I said, there's quite a few more different ways of doing it, but that is the main ways. There is another way if you're doing live streaming, especially on the live stream, in the chat there will be something like a super chat, which is like a $sign at the bottom. You click on that and it will take you to a link, and you can select how much you want to put in there, and that will flash up on the live chat in big letters saying this person has donated so and so, and you can put a little message in there, whatever. So that is all the different ways that I know of, and like I said, there are a lot more, but I'm not going to go through them all. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe, it's free. Thank you very much for watching.